Hey everybody, Jay with fastfairehomeoffers.com. Thank you for helping me build the #1 video channel for Des Moines, Iowa real estate. As always, I'm open to working with other real estate professionals, real estate investors, real estate attorneys, real estate brokers, agents, title companies, real estate sellers, buyers, and everybody in between. Today's video is just a quick video about how to deal with bad tenants. Now during COVID, during this pandemic, you cannot evict a tenant for non-payment of rent. However, if your lease is worded properly, there are many other ways you can evict a bad tenant, or not necessarily evict, but get rid of or handle a bad tenant, make them uncomfortable. The #1 thing we're going to cover real quick, and again, I'm not an attorney, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not providing legal advice. If you need a referral to a really good real estate attorney, reach me at jay@fastfairehomeoffers.com. I'm happy to give you the one I use. They are exceptional and reasonable on cost. The #1 thing that I'm seeing is you can evict for someone living in the property that is not listed on the lease. That's the best angle to go after. If you're wanting to be more cordial and civil about getting the people out without a lot of hassle, the #2 method I would see right now is called a cash for keys, or paying them to leave, basically paying them to sign a willful notice to vacate. Then they'll leave. Agree on an amount, agree on the date, and get them out. Otherwise, you've got to find something in the lease where they have either not complied with it to date. Be it they had to switch utilities into their name by a certain date. They've got to keep the property free and clear of debris and cars up on blocks in the yard or driveway. Some other clause in your lease, but it's got to be worded very strongly. There can't be any ambiguous wording or legalese in your agreement. If you're somebody who's got somebody in your property that you're renting out, you don't know how to handle them, or you're wanting to sell the property, I'd love to make an offer on it. Shoot your information on the website at fastfairehomeoffers.com. Email me at jay@fastfairehomeoffers.com, or call or text 515-809-2274. I hope this has been helpful in some little way. I always try to provide value. Again, I'm open to working with everybody. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.